pala sila yun.
Lock. 23.
Galing mo talaga ng block ni Sir.
Save ball. Shot clock, 19 seconds.
Dapat na
19 to shoot.
Foul.
Foul number 83.
Second, personal foul.
Second foul number 83. Both teams penalty.
Both teams, one remaining timeout, ha?
Sir, basket time out. Basket time out.
Basket timeout. Sinablay eh. Basic rebound.
10 seconds. 5 seconds. Block 83. End of regulation. We're going to overtime.
Galing.
Pero yun, yung pangalawa. Walang ano. Parang hinahag sa mga. Magaling, para sa magaling.
Tig-isa. Tig-isa, timeout.
Sinuwerte, hindi mo maano. Ayaw. Pumasok.
One timeout each. Both teams penalty. Both teams.
Lamang sila. Fall trouble sa kanila eh.
Back to the ball game. White possession, white.
Trouble, dami fall trouble sa kanila.
Automatic to. Ito yung automatic tayo, ano, for time.
Ten to shoot.
Lamang sila Celsius dyan kasi
5 to shoot. Defensive rebound 50. Good point. Ten second shot clock. Defensive foul. 32.
32.
Penalty, dalawa. Penalty foul.
First foul.
First personal foul. 32. First foul.
Isa pa lang police.
Official time out. Boss Marks, okay ka lang? Contacts. Laglag.
Naglat.
Defensive rebound 50. Rebound 83.
Wala pa rin.
Rebound 73.
Straight.
Substitution.
Wala, sir. Yellow, sir. Ma'am.
Ten shot clock. Traveling violation.
Gusto mo ano dyan? Gusto mo
Over. Sir. Wala pa rin.
Rebound 73.
Ang rebound na.
Rebound 0.
Wala rin. Pang. Wala pa.
Substitution foul 44. Penalty.
Tatlo na.
Tatlo.
Third foul 44.
Pang. Wala pa rin.
Isa.
Pagod na. Joseph.
Pagod na.
Basta yung laban ah.
Ito talaga. Dapat pipwesto yung shooter yun.
10 to shoot. 5 shot clock. Two points.
Si Doc.
Steve 31.
Five. Alas 9.
10 second shot clock. Last 2 minutes. 73 2 points. Still 31. Ten second shot clock. Rebound 32. Zero 2 points.
Likod!
10 second shot clock.
Tangin din sila.
5 second shot clock.
Miss Pound.
Foul 83.
3.
Substitution.
Fourth.
Fourth personal foul number 83. Warning for foul out. Number 83. Warning for foul out.
Inalo. Inalo pa
Hindi
sila.
pa, no?
Out of bounds.
Kapit.
Out of bounds. Still, 34. Still 83.
Huli na naman. Panis.
Against the rebound, 23. Still 50. Fifteen seconds. Foul. Number 32. Penalty.
May time out pa.
Second.
Second foul, 32.
Meron.
One.
Isa. Sige isa. Time out.
Wala.
Shoot time out.
Time out. Blue.
Pwede, tres, dalawa. Pag nag-tres, isa. Tapos 16. Tres ulit.
NBA, ano?
Pwede yun. Dalawang three. Anong size kaya yan? Okay. Bola pre, tatlo pre. Diligpit ko to.
10 seconds.
Busa ka ng oras.
End of the ball game.
Sabi ko, kahit lamang
Nanalo pa.
kahit lamang kahit lamang
Nanalo pa.
Vamos,